welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mariama, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY spa day. We're all, in quarantine. We can't really get to the spa, and I've really been in a mood to pamper myself, so let's jump right into it.
Alrighty, to get started, I took some makeup remover wipes and I just extra cleansed my face. I also washed my face before. And I saw another influencer using these nose strips. I have a lot of dead skin around my nose sometimes, so I thought it would be a good idea. While these nose strips were on, it said to keep it on for like 10 minutes, but I went ahead and began arching my eyebrows. They weren't that bad, but they were kind of bad. So that nose strip did absolutely nothing. Okay, cool. The next thing I did was take my exfoliating cleanser and I just applied this all over my face and really massaged my face to get my face prepped for this facial that's about to go down. The next thing I did was DIY steamer. I don't have an actual steamer. I just went ahead and boiled a pot of water. I added 2 chamomile tea bags to the water, and I also added the rose petals that I originally got for the bath. I just put that in the water. I'm really mad I didn't have any lemons, but it is what it is. I sat down under that steam for like 3 songs, so like 15-20 minutes, I suppose. After that, I'm going to make my face mask. I have the Indian Healing Clay, which I'm going to take some apple cider vinegar and the Indian Healing Clay and mix it together. I say like half and half for the portions. I just mix it up until it starts to look clay-like, and then I went ahead and applied the clay mask all over my face. And while this clay mask was sitting, I was probably like refilling my wine. I got a tad bit distracted and I let this sit entirely too long on my face. It started to get crusty, and you can see it just looks bad. So definitely only keep it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, no longer. I had to take a wet towel and like scrub and scrape it off of my face. I also switched out of my robe and into a towel because, as you can see, it was getting pretty messy and I didn't want to mess my robe up, but you can see how hard it was to get this clay off. But I know my skin was glowing after this. Yes, come on, skin. The next thing I did was I took this toner. I put the toner on a makeup pad and then I just applied the toner all over my face for the last little cleanse. And then I took this Aveeno moisturizer and I just rubbed that all over my face to get it soft and moist and feeling good. Okay, but the skin after this facial. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Next, we're gonna move to the bath. I have some Epsom salts, and I also have this Dr. Teal's body bath for like relieving stress and whatnot. I also added the rose petals that I was telling you guys about. I did it off camera, but as you can see, it gives it a more spa-like vibe and a spa-like feel. The water was extremely hot, so I decided to shave my legs before I got in the tub. Last minute decision. No one's gonna see my legs, but it's cool. And yes, time. So after my bath, I took this shea body butter from Victoria's Secret and I just used it all over my body, and it had my skin feeling so amazing and so good. The last thing that we're going to do is toes. My toes have been looking crazy all of quarantine, so I finally decided that enough is enough, and we're about to get these toes handled today. What you didn't see is that in the tub I took a callus remover and like a foot scrubber, and I just got all of the dead skin from underneath my feet. So now I'm just clipping and filing to the best of my ability. Then I took the pink polish, maybe like 3 or 4 coats, and topped it with the clear coat, and ta-da! Look at the toes. I didn't really want to show you guys this because I thought they were going to be bad, but you know, I actually did a pretty okay job. It doesn't look bad at all. This completes